Hello, welcome to the Spartan family. I'd like to talk to you about the financial aid process at UNCG. Let's start with navigating your financial aid information through UNC Genie. The link to UNC Genie is at the top of the UNCG web pages by clicking on the Genie icon. Select Enter Secure Area, enter your university ID number and PIN, then click Login. Click the Financial Aid tab at the top or the Financial Aid link in the list. Select Eligibility to check for holds and missing requirements. Select Award to review and accept your financial aid award. If you need to submit documents, use the Document Upload feature. This tool puts the documents directly and securely into your file. This YouTube video provides step-by-step instructions on how to use the uploader. You should allow 2 to 3 weeks for document processing. One of the questions that we get most often is how to use the financial aid to pay the bill. Here's an example of how financial aid affects the bill. Each semester, students register for classes and get assessed charges for tuition and fees. If you have applied for a residence hall and meal plan, those and any other charges such as the new student fee or health insurance are included as well. Financial aid is applied to the student's account for each semester to reduce the balance due. Your aid each semester may be sufficient to cover all of your semester charges. In that case, you would not owe anything out of pocket to UNCG. However, if your aid does not cover all of your bill, you will have to pay the difference. The cashier's and student's account office will send you information on the bill due date and methods of payment. You can use this formula to estimate your semester bill to see what you might have as a final balance due. If your aid exceeds the amount of your bill, you will be due a refund. Watch the cashier's video for more on that. Let's spend a moment talking about outside or private scholarships that you have gotten on your own. They are an important part of your payment strategy. These are funds that are not offered to you through the university or through the FAFSA application. They may be from your high school, church, or civic groups within your community. Congratulations if you have some of these. Notify the financial aid office with a copy of your scholarship award letter as soon as you have been awarded a private scholarship. We will add them to your overall financial aid award so they can be included in your payment method. Please instruct scholarship donors to send the scholarship check to the financial aid office. Give your donor your full name and your UNCG student ID, not your social security number. They should also include which semester the award is for. For example, if it's a $500 scholarship, we need to know if it's $500 per semester or if it's $500 for the academic year. Without instructions on how the check is to be paid, we will apply half for the fall semester and hold the rest in reserve for the spring semester. Here are some resources to explore additional information and opportunities. Spartan Central is the place to go for information on registration, financial aid, and paying your bill. The College Foundation of North Carolina provides information about North Carolina-based programs. Some state programs are covered when you file the FAFSA and do not require a separate application, but there are many others that are not. This information is available at cfnc.org. StudentAid.gov is the source for information about federal aid and managing your federal aid documents. If you have military affiliations, please use these resources for information and assistance on assessing benefits. Connect with us if you have questions about your financial aid. You can reach us by phone at 336-334-5702, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. Please be sure to enter your UNCG ID and PIN during those phone prompts. This allows access to specific information about your financial aid file, and anyone calling on your behalf will also need to enter that information. Email finaid@uncg.edu for general questions and we will respond within 24 to 48 hours. Be sure to check out our website at spartancentral.uncg.edu for more comprehensive information on financial aid and much more. Please follow us on social media. Thank you and enjoy your SOAR experience.
Welcome to UNCG. The cashier's office will work with you each semester on monitoring your account and making sure your bills get paid on time. We hope this video will give you a little more information about how to accomplish this successfully. It all begins with registration. As you register for classes, your tuition and fees will be assessed to your student account. Once housing confirms your room assignment, your charge will be added. You may also see a meal plan, parking, insurance, and other charges added. On July 8th, our office will generate your fall billing statement, upload it to your student account center, and send you an email notification. Once you receive this email, you'll log into your online account to view the bill. Be aware, the email will be sent to your preferred address as listed in your UNCG account, so go ahead and make sure it's up to date. You can also add authorized users to your student account. These users will also be sent this email on July 8th. The payment deadline for this fall bill will be July 29th. The bill has 3 sections: charges, credits, and amount due. Make sure to look through each of these sections to fully understand what you're being billed for. Pay close attention to each of the charges to ensure they're accurate. The credit section will reflect any payments we've already received as well as any financial aid we anticipate receiving this fall. Your charges minus your credits will equal the amount due by the July 29th payment deadline. If this amount happens to be a negative figure, it means your credits exceed your charges. You would owe nothing out of pocket at the time but may be eligible for a refund once the fall semester begins. As mentioned earlier, when you receive the email on July 8th, you'll log in to the Student Account Center to view your bill. Students will log into this portal by first logging into UNC Genie. Authorized users will have a separate direct access by using their email address and the password that is sent to them at the time of the setup. Something to keep in mind is your bill is a statement created at a specific point in time. While updates can occur on your student account at any time, your billing statement will never change. Use the Student Account Center to keep up with your account. In this portal, you'll see the most up-to-date details on your account. Additionally, this portal allows you to make online payments, enroll into a payment plan, add a bank account that can be saved as future payment methods, and as well as direct deposit account for any student refunds you may be later due, and view tax information. This is also the place where you can add authorized users. We encourage you to do this. Authorized users will receive the billing notification emails and have direct access to view your balance and make payments. We recommend you become very familiar with this portal and remain aware of your student account balance. Any balance you incur within the semester must be settled by the end of the semester. Otherwise, you may be prevented from moving on forward to the next semester. You can make payments in person, by mail, or online. In the office, we accept cash, check, or money order. If you come to the office after business hours, you are welcome to use our Dropbox. Just put your payment along with your student name and ID number in a sealed envelope and drop it off in the box for us to process the following business day. If you mail the payment, send a check or money order payable to UNCG and include your student ID number. We'll process that payment the day it is received. Online payments are the quickest and easiest form of payment. Please note that there is a 2.85% service fee to use a card, but no fee to use an electronic check. If you have completed a FAFSA and have been awarded, you should see these anticipated credits on your bill. If something is incorrect or missing, please contact the Financial Aid Office directly to get it resolved before July 29th. The Financial Aid Office will handle loans, grants, and all scholarships. If you have an authorization that allows us to bill an outside vendor for payment of your charges, contact Amy Cook in the cashier's office to ensure she has that information on file. If the authorization does not cover your entire amount due, she will update you on the amount you owe by July 29th. If you are using the 529 savings plan to pay your fall balance, please work directly with your provider on getting the payment processed and submitted to our office by the deadline. If you owe a balance out of pocket and are in need of a payment plan, you will set up that plan online in your Student Account Center. UNCG's payment plan is real time. What this means is that the plan will initially be set up based on your current balance. You cannot alter the amount be set up on this plan. The system will take your current charges and deduct any payments you already made and anticipated financial aid credits to determine your monthly installments. If there are any changes to your balance throughout the semester, your remaining installments will be updated accordingly and you'll be sent an email notification at that time. As soon as your billing statement is generated, you can set up a 5-month plan for the fall semester. The last day to do so is July 16th. From July 17th through the payment deadline of July 29th, only the 4-month plan will be available. The setup fee for either plan is $35 and will be due along with your first installment at the time of the setup. Feel free to reach out to our office anytime you need a question or need further assistance. Email us, call us, or visit us in person. You can also access our website at any time and chat with Minnie, who can answer most of your questions as well. Again, welcome to UNCG, and we look forward to working with you.